Today, I'm going to do an honest review of the LOJEL Voja Carry-On, and I'm going to show you how much you can fit in here with their compression packing cubes. LOJEL offered me my choice of luggage to review, and I chose the Voja Carry-On because I wanted a high-quality suitcase at an affordable price point to share with you. What got me really excited about this luggage is that it doesn't have a zipper. It comes with a 3-point lock system and a way to enter your own code. Latches can be harder to tamper with and more durable than a zipper. The downside of this is it doesn't have a zipper expansion if you need to cram a bunch of clothes in. But you may not need this if you use their compression bags. I was able to get this suitcase extremely organized with their compression bags and their toiletry bag. I'll put links to this setup in the description below, but for now, let me show you all you can fit in this suitcase with compression cubes. The large compression bag fits 3 pants, 1 dress, and 1 coat. I think you could fit more than that, especially if you wear your coat on the plane to free up more space in your luggage. You'll zip the bag 2 times, once to close the bag and the second time to compress everything. The medium compression bag holds 5 shirts plus my pajamas. The small bag holds several pairs of socks and undies. The washable toiletry pouch has pockets inside for organizing and has more than enough room for everything I need. Then I'm ready to start putting it all in the suitcase. First, I'm going to utilize the 2 small pockets inside the luggage for small items like sunglasses, earbuds, chapstick, and my face mask. Then I put the large compression packing cube in and tighten it with the compression strap. I can neatly fit a pair of shoes to the side of that. In the other side of the luggage, I'll put the medium compression bag, the toiletry pouch, the small compression bag, and another pair of shoes. This zipper holds everything nice and tight. I really loved this large zippered pouch. You can fit several items in here. I chose to use it for my Kindle and my charger. Then you close everything up and secure the latches. One of the things that first struck me when I got the luggage is how light it felt. It weighed 7 pounds and felt lighter than my other carry-on. A little research showed that it is slightly lighter than some of its competitors. The Monos carry-on is just over 7 pounds, and the Away carry-on is 7.5 pounds. I love the price point for the LOJEL Voja Carry-On. It currently sells for anywhere from $161 to $190, depending on the color you get. And check out all of these fun colors. Similar suitcases sell closer to $300. The LOJEL Voja is made with a pure polypropylene shell, which is the lightest hard shell material available. The molecular structure allows the shell to flex, bend, and absorb shocks without cracking or breaking, and this material is known to not easily scuff. Cheaper luggage is often made with ABS, which is not as durable, and more expensive luggage is usually made with polycarbonate, which can be a bit more durable than polypropylene, but not as light. So luggage made out of polypropylene is a good choice if you want a lightweight, durable, affordable suitcase. The Voja comes with a handle that tucks flush with the case and a telescopic trolley handle, and Lisof Silent Wheels, which are ultra quiet, incredibly smooth, and glide like butter. Since the suitcase is zipperless and interlocks when it closes, my husband wondered how it would stand up to heavy rain, so I tested it out. And yep, a severe dump of water over the top didn't get any water inside at all. The LOJEL Voja comes with a 10-year warranty, and you can replace many of the parts on the suitcase. I can highly recommend this suitcase for its features, quality, durability, and price. The only thing to consider would be if you want a suitcase that has a compression zipper. But if you get the compression bags, I think you'd be good to go.